how to connect your wallet to wormfare Slap. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to be able to connect your wallet, you're simply going to visit their website, which is wormfare.com, and you're going to click on connect your wallet over here on the top right. By doing this, you will be given the option to choose whatever wallet you're currently using. So the top wallets being used right now are Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Phantom. If you don't see your wallet, you could either browse wallet over here and check out the different wallets available. Right now, it will detect whatever wallet is currently installed on your browser, which is really great. So it will automatically be able to connect it. Or you could also click on all wallets and search for the wallet that you currently have. As you can see here, the wallets are listed in this page over here. So simply select that and proceed to enter the necessary information and you will be able to connect with wormfare. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.